good question. What is your comment about my drawings? आपको मेरी आर्ट के सामने देखी है. So what are your comments on that? So how did you convince your parents? Like I would be,
Yeah.
I would want to, I would like to adopt you. Uzam.
Hi guys, I welcome you all to Champ Talks. Yes, many of you are asking me, sir, ये Champ Talks क्या है? When is it going to start? What exactly is Champ Talks? Yes guys, so guys, I have been telling you that you guys are my inspiration. I take inspiration from you guys. You guys motivate me the most to work very very hard. Yes guys, so Champ Talk is all about you guys, wherein I will bring you guys on my show and you guys are gonna share your experiences, share your stories with us so that each one of us can nurture the champ inside us and come out as victorious guys. Yes, so yes guys, so today's champ is Uzam Galib. Yes guys, Uzam Galib is an artist. He's just 14 years old and you should see his art pieces guys. I cannot know what I call it, art picture or pieces. He calls them as pieces, but my mind was blown the first time I saw Uzam's picture guys. Trust me, he's so amazing. So come on guys, let's go and meet Uzam and have a chat with him.
So yes guys, we have with us our first little champ, that is Uzam Galib. Uzam, एक चलो पहली चीज, your name is such artistic यार, Uzam Galib. It is so artistic. तो मतलब what was the reason? Did you ever ask your parents कि मैं artist
Yeah.
बनने वाला था, इसलिए आपने करा, कि आपने सोचा आपका नाम उजाम है तो आपको artist बनना चाहिए? What was the reason behind that? Yeah.
The story behind it is basically when my mom and dad couldn't decide a name, my grandfather narrated this name to everyone in the family was Azam Azim Uzam, great, greater, greatest. So that way, that's the way he explained it, and my name was kept Uzam. It's very rare.
No, yeah, it is totally rare and it is very artistic यार. उजाम गालिब नाम में ही आर्ट है. तो उसकी वजह से आप आर्ट करना स्टार्ट किया कि like पहले से आप artistic, like you know. Anyways, when did you start drawing?
This was like I've shifted a lot in countries. So when I shifted, I shifted from a compound where in family-oriented life to apartments, and I found apartments really grim. And I didn't know anyone, so I just watched YouTube all day. I ended up learning art and practicing it, and eventually learned how to draw.
At what age did you start drawing?
This was around 2.5 years ago now.
Okay, in 2.5 years you have made such a progress.
Yes.
Oh my God! So you were telling कि you kept moving places, like what, would you like to explain, like not explain,
Yeah.
just tell us about that experience.
हाँ.
कि कहाँ आप move करे या?
I've lived mainly in Saudi Arabia for 10 years, but when I was 11 years old, we shifted to Dubai. And in Saudi, we lived in a compound. And because it was 10 years, we all knew each other and played every day. But then when we shifted to an apartment, there were no kids my age, nor was I used to, just a cubicle kind of scenario. So it was really boring comparatively. And then again we shifted to India, so that's part of my life that involves a lot of shifting.
So when did you come to India, by the way?
India, it's going to be 2 years now in March.
Okay. Great. So Uzam, we would like to see your first painting, which you did, and
Yeah.
the latest painting. Okay, just show it to us. We will just see.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
The first portrait, like when I started taking it seriously, I'll just share it in a minute.
Oh my God, this was your first drawing.
I think I made one more before this, but I don't have a photo right now. So, but this was the first one I did on like proper material, on a proper page, fully executed all the things I learned in a month, I would say.
You learned this in a month.
I learned how to do basic things like shading, and sketching and this. So I practiced that separately, but then around when I thought I could make a proper drawing, then I made my first portrait, which you can see.
So how much time does this take? Like it looks like eternity. मेरे को तो eternity लग जाए. How much time does it take for you?
This one must have like taken less. It would be, I would say, 6 to 7 hours, not much more than that.
6 to 7 hours is less. Oh my god. So what is
Comparatively.
Acha, what is the most like average? What is the average time and what is the most time for a one painting which you have taken?
Average, I take 25 to 30 hours on each. Like now, when I make portraits, when I make my pieces, I take 25 to 30 hours. But the most I've spent on an artwork would be more than 55 hours. I stopped, taking in time into account after 55 hours.
Do you do this in a short span of time? You fix some timelines, or how do you do that?
Consistently draw at least slightly, like 1 or 2 hours a day, or half an hour a day, and eventually
Okay, yeah, sure. So
it gets complete.
Hours was spread among how much time? कितने time के spread था? In 1 week?
1 month.
Okay.
1 month.
1 month you're coming up with one. Okay, show us the latest picture. Like I have seen that on Instagram. Show us the latest pic.
Yeah. The latest one. 1 second.
Yeah.
It'll just take me a second to take it out. Yeah.
Please,
It's right
take
here.
your time.
Yeah. This is the one.
Loki. Oh my god.
Yeah.
No.
This is the one I have an image of.
Okay. No, I seen it in Instagram. So what colors do you use? Yeah, like it looks so real. Like these are some great colors.
The colors I use are quite expensive. I've built up a collection now within the 2.5 years. And my dad really encourages me, and so he gets me whatever I think is like good, but will bring improvement in my skills. So the colors I use are these Faber-Castell polychromos 120 set. I got them for 8,000 rupees.
Oh my god, this was a crazy one. I loved this one. I saw this one. I like you see that, right? I like all your images. Like
yes, sir.
It was the detailing, man. So mad.
This one also took quite a lot of time.
So yeah, tell us about how your parents support you and how do you convince them, like, managing time between school and this, like 55 hours plus school plus all these.
Yeah.
How do you manage that first? And second, how did you convince your parents? Like you said, your dad is, very, yeah.
Is 9 to 3 I have school. Then 3 to 5 I am doing my homework, and whatever tests I have tomorrow I'll prepare for them. Then that 5 to 7, that time I'll be outside. I'll play some sports, badminton, cricket or something like that. Then I have tuition 7 to 10. And right after that, I sleep at 12 o'clock. So I have that 2 hours gap. So if my mom has I have to do some homely chores, I'll get them done. Then I'll have 1 hour or 1.5 hour to do drawing. So that's how I get my time.
Amazing. And when do you wake up morning mein?
8:50.
8:50. Okay, but
10 minutes before my class.
High five. So, but exam के time में तो सब कम हो जाता होगा, if I'm not wrong. Exam time में
Yeah.
Okay.
I leave it. I just keep it like covered in a sheet and keep it to the side.
So guys, I want to see focus. Uzam क्या करता है? Uzam उठता है, school करता है, sports भी करता है. Guys, please focus over here. He does homework and everything. He does sports also, extracurricular. He does not compromise on extracurricular, and he does homely chores also, and he does tuitions also. And after that, whatever time is left, he spends for his art. Oh my God, such an organized kid, and I am so amazed. Trust me, Uzam, adults with no organized नहीं होते हैं.
If I go that way, it will take me too much time to complete my art. So usually it's the weekends that make impacts. I'll get up on Sunday morning and I'll sit down to draw. I'll sit for like 5 hours straight. So that's what brings actual time into the TC.
Oh my God! So he's mostly working on weekends, where he puts the extra time, guys. And yeah, So how did you convince your parents? Like,
Yeah,
I would want to I would like to adopt you. Uzam.
that part, like most people face a problem with something like art, and convincing their parents to get them some like expensive tools. Spending too much time in art, they'll instead orient you towards something more academic. But fortunately, I never had the problem. I actually didn't use paper that much. I didn't know much. I used to use the printer paper I got. So, but my dad saw one day, and he always encourages me. So he got a pack of like high quality paper, and whenever I want to order anything, he's like, you know best what suits you and what's good for your art. So you just put it in the cart, and he orders it. So
But
I
what
never faced that problem.
Yeah, what I feel they see you so dedicated, man. See, मतलब, I saw that and I was like, wow, I need to talk to this kid. Trust me, the first time I saw your art, I was like, yeah, I will definitely talk to you. And I guess your parents also, they would have seen you being so dedicated. Ki, that is what makes difference, guys. All the students also, or everyone who's watching, guys, it is all about you putting in efforts, and everyone will start giving in to you. And we feel कि पहले दें तब हम करें, but rather than just start doing it, and you will have what say Uzam, आपको क्या लगता है?
Yes sir, that's exactly, that's
That-
really correct. Yeah, first you have to put in the work, then others will eventually help you.
Yeah, what are your future plans? You were telling me something.
Yeah, I was just explaining you that I think I'll opt for something more mainstream in academics. Like I try to get into an institution like IIT or some other big institution, so that I have a really good degree in which I can opt for like architecture or something art related. But the reason for that is because whenever I want, I can always pursue art, because it does not need a degree. That's why I'll opt for something more academic.
Amazing, Uzam, the clarity you have at this age. So guys, what Uzam is saying कि देखो आर्ट के लिए तो डिग्री चाहिए नहीं होती, तो आर्ट तो मैं करता रहूंगा, और साथ में I am gonna aim for some elite institutions with my focusing on my studies also. Guys, trust me, Uzam, what I feel ना, it will give you credibility also. आपको ना बहुत सारी credibility मिल जाएगी अगर आपने IIT का आर्टिस्ट है ना. If you see book writers, right, Chetan Bhagat or someone else also, Amish, है ना, Amish, if you know Amish, ना, Shiva Trilogy has written. तो like they get a different aura only. उनको like अलग ही perception आता है उनका कि हाँ यार मतलब IIT भी है, तो you get a good credibility behind that. But I mean, you don't need any credibility like as such. You don't need any credibility. Your art speaks for yourself. Okay, one very good question. What is your comment about my drawings? आपको मेरी art skills आपने देखी है. So what are your comments on that?
Your art is infamous. It's really, we'll be learning what's written on the board, and you'll be making drawings on top of the text. And especially while quiz countdowns, you'll make whatever you want. Why? And you'll cover the options also sometime.
Yeah, like, this I learned as ही चुमा. So nice. So what if like ठीक है, तो आपको क्या लगता है कि कितना like 1 to 10 में कितने पॉइंट्स दोगे आप आर्टिस्टिक स्किल्स में अमृतसर को?
Art is subjective, so it could be considered an abstract painting or something. But
Yeah, तो हम कह रहे हैं भैया सर क्यों why you want me to नहीं बोलना चाहता. Anyway, I got your message. अमृतसर को जाओ. चलो tell me okay, like one thing, like message to our friends.
You could pursue whatever you want, and if you have dedication and clarity and proper schedule to manage it, you can do whatever you want to alongside your studies. It doesn't have to be one or the other. It can be both.
Amazing. You mean to say you can pursue both, guys? Azam says you can pursue both. You just need to have the clarity and dedication and passion to do that. Yeah, that is so amazing, Azam. You're so mature. I love you. I cannot tell you how much I love you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. So thank you, Usam, for participating. So like for sharing your story. I want the students to learn from your life. You've been so amazing. So from and what do you think about Amrit Talks? Okay, yeah, this is one more question I wanted to ask. What do you think about Amrit Talks?
I quite like the idea that you're taking questions and dilemmas every student has, and because you already have a platform, so it helps for students to translate over to your page, and then they can learn how to adapt with difficult situations.
Okay,
So
okay.
it's a really great initiative.
That's a great initiative. Thank you, Usam. So do you love Amrit Talks? Have you seen all the videos on Amrit Talks?
Not all, but yeah, I've definitely seen most of them.
Okay. Like so glad when I go watch some if you can just do watch it. And guys, so Usam, thank you for participating. So you for participating and for you're so great. You're so great. So I would like to give you a coupon of 2,000 rupees from Amazon. Like it's a token of love from my end for giving us your time and for sharing your stories with us. And I will be also sharing a t-shirt, Amrit Talk t-shirt. I'm getting it customized, so that is for you. I hope you would like it. So that is just a token of
Yes.
love from my end, because so you gave me your time and like you are so inspiring, but trust me, like I don't know, God bless you. I'm so
Thank you, sir.
what should I say? Yes, I'm so blessed to have taught you, and I'm so blessed to have been in contact with you. And I believe our friends will learn from your story, and they will come up with something and more. And guys, I want all of you to do. See, Usam has an Instagram page. Hannah, you guys, you have YouTube page also, I guess, Hannah, Usam.
Yeah.
So
I
guys,
do have YouTube and Instagram.
yes. So Usam, would you like to tell our friends the IDs? And
Yes.
in the description also. Yeah.
Okay, so it's at Uzam's underscore art on Instagram and Uzam Galib on on YouTube.
So we can go and find all your art over there, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yes. Yeah. You can find all my art on Instagram, and you can find a couple of videos on YouTube.
Amazing, Uzam. So thanks a lot, Uzam, for being such a sport and for taking out.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, so yes, thanks a lot. Like, it's our pleasure. I wanted to share, like, the whole point of this thing is, so the people get to know what happens generally now. If we show a role model कि ऐसा कर सकते हो, तो अच्छा लगता है और easily you can do that. Are you getting what? If you have not seen something, now people will be like, अच्छा उजाम ने करा तो मैं भी कर सकता हूँ, मैं भी कर सकती हूँ. So I just want to showcase that to students. हाँ यार, ये ऐसा हो सकता है. Because generally most of the time we don't tell them, we just tell them do. We don't tell them how to do. So the whole point of this session and whole point of Amrit Talk is, helping you guys to know how to do. I hope our friends will like it. So yeah, thank you, Uzam. And yes, I love you all. And
thank you, sir.
We love you all. And guys, do let us know, comment in the comment box about Uzam's art. Go check the Uzam's art on Instagram and YouTube, and do let us know. Yes, I will be putting in the description box the links of his YouTube channel, Instagram. And yes, thank you, Uzam. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for having me.